So yun, Miggy, congratulations sa movie mo na Your Mother's Son. So can you share about your character dito? Kasi sobrang bigat.
I played the character of Oliver, isang drug pusher, isang batang longing dun sa aruga ng magulang at walang gabay, so nawawala sa landas at the same time, well, tingin niya lahat tama ng mga iniisip niya. So basically, you have to really watch it para mag-gets nyo rin kung ano yung gist ng buong story. Because the four main characters really have to see and really watch it ng isang matinding upuan. It's a gritty movie, so sana panoorin nyo.
Yeah. Ano yung abangan namin sa moving forward ngayon sa 10th year anniversary ng Ilocos? Mga projects?
Well, for idea first, nalabas ko na lahat ng pelikula, which is 2 and 1, yan, Game Boys, Your Mother's Son. So well, abangan nyo lang sa akin is High Street, which is a serye for Dreamscape season 2 ng senior high. So yan, abangan nyo po yan.
Nabanggit mo yung High Street. So ano yung expect namin sa coach moments?
Well, there's a huge difference, no? Di ko pa masyado, I don't want to give out any details yet, pero we're starting to shoot na. So abangan nyo na lang kung ano yung mangyayari sa mga lahat ng characters na nandun pa. And
May abangan ba kami sa inyo ni Zia?
oo naman, yun, matic yun.
Oh. So yun. So invite everyone na lang to watch your movie.
Yes, I'm inviting everyone to watch Your Mother's Son. Well, yun, tonight was our opening film for Idea First Enlighten. It's such a huge honor to be opening for the 10 years ng Idea First. Buong utak lang nila na time to celebrate all the creative part of it. And hope to see you guys there sa other films pa. Sana supportahan nyo rin lahat ng mga pelikula na naka-line up yun. Thank you guys.
Thank you. And
Thank you.
congrats.
Miggy, dahil nag-CR kayo, kailangan daw kumanta kayo. Gitara ka na lang.
Again, maraming salamat po for being here. We truly appreciate it. Your time nyo sana nabigay namin sa inyo satisfaction. Of us also waiting for this film since 2021. Malaking bagay sa amin nandito kayo lahat. Kung gutom na kayo. And have a good night and have a good Friday as well. And hashtag #LeadDetail. Let's go!
Grabe ka naman. No, yun sila. Muli po yun. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. May sinabi ni Direk, kung di nyo nagustuhan, shut up na lang kayo. At kung nagustuhan nyo po, please, pumahagi po ninyo ang gandang balita. At syempre, marami pong pelikula na alam dito sa Enlighten. Idea First.
Sa tanda kong ito, my mom is there. And one of my sisters, si Pia, thank you so much.
Ako rin yung mami ko rin. Hello.
Sana anak niyo pa rin po ako pagkatapos nito.
Alright. Thank you very much, everyone. Reminder lang that Your Mother's Son is still playing here at Gateway. It's sa Cinema 16. Tomorrow, we've got a full schedule. Thank you again sa Gateway. And on Sunday, it's playing again. So, Saturday and Sunday. Kung maraming manood, hopefully tuloy-tuloy lang kami. So please spread the word kasi hindi madali makahanap ng avenues para pagpalabasan ng ganitong klaseng pelikula. So sana ma-encourage natin ang mga tao na silipin. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Guys.
Trabaho na.
Ay, tita! Congrats din po. Kaya nga tita, long time. Happy ka naman tita?
Oo naman.
Happy?
Dapat lagi siya nagbabati.
Nako, yan ang ano na po yung anak nyo, medyo mahilap.
How are you? You watched it in full this time. Thank you, boy. Yun, hindi ba kaya? But I'm so proud of you. Natapos, mami. Yes!
May trauma kasi
Kaya nga
kayo
na ako na
mami.
natapos, mami. Yes, ingat ko. I love you.
Kaya nakangiti ka dito lagi kasi yung camera.
May Game Boys pa eh. Siyempre.
Mga ka-VTalks, inviting everyone to watch Your Mother's Son, parte ng Enlighten, Idea First sa 10-year anniversary. And hope to see you guys there.
Ay mga kabitoks, sinimbitan ko kayo na please watch Your Mother's Son. At sa Enlighten niya, kasali sa Enlighten in Idea First 10th year anniversary film fest. Ayan. April 13 to 16. See you.
Mga Kavitoks, please do watch Your Mother's Son. Meron po kami screens until Sunday. So, hope you can come here at the Gateway Cineplex. Tapos check on yung schedule. Meron pa pong Your Mother's Son until Sunday. Thank you.
Mga kabitoks, please supportahan po ninyo ang mga pelikula ng Idea First dito sa festival na nagaganap sa Gateway 2. At sana panoorin niyo po ang latest film ko, ang Your Mother's Son.
Next ng after ng anniversary, 10th anniversary ng
Marami kaming pinaplanong projects. We're in the process actually of finishing the principal photography of some films. And then, pinaka-excited ako actually, hindi dun sa movie projects namin kundi dun sa live production na gagawin namin. Yung stage adaptation ng Anino sa Likod ng Buwan. Dun ako sobrang excited.
Congratulations po. And my question lang po is,
Senator
may
Mark
balita lang po
Villar,
na
and
release
Attorney
na ng
Annette
Legal
Gozar.
Entertainment yung
Thank
movie
you
ng
for
Ginela.
supporting
any
our
update po ba
festival
kung
and
pwede nyo
our
i-send or
scholars.
MMFF?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Wala pa
enjoy
pero
the
tinatapos
Enlighten
namin yung
Film
shoot.
Festival.
So I don't know
Good
kung ano
night.
ang decision ng producers, kung eventually gusto nilang i-release for the film fest or I still have no idea.
And yung sa Vice and Goddess naman po, is still, MMFF po ba siya this year? Ano po update doon? Marami kasi nag-aabang.
Hindi ko rin alam talaga kung ano yung eventually plan for the project. I'm excited. Sana matuloy talaga. Alam naman natin,
Shooting na po ba or
we'll see. If pag nagkaroon ng official announcement, then I guess tuloy na siya. So we'll have to wait for that.
kasi naman po, ngayon po kasi sikat na sikat ang Kim Pao. So is there any chance po ba na madirect mo yung Kim Pao and anong genre?
Ako, I'm willing, I'm open. So it depends. Also kung open sila to do more challenging roles, because if they are, then I'm willing to take on the task of directing them and working with them.
Yeah, and ang bagay po yung challenging roles. Ngayon po si Catherine is open to challenging roles from a very good girl. So, ngayon sila ni Alden na issue po or parang magkaka-project. So, are you willing to have a project with them? And kung meron po ano pong klaseng genre yung gusto niyo
Of course. I think it should be a love story, but something fresh, something interesting, something unexpected, something unpredictable.
Thank you po and congratulations
Thank
po
you,
again sa
thank
10th anniversary. Invite everyone.
Mga kaibigan, ininibitahan ko po kayo na silipin ang 10th anniversary ng Idea First Company dito sa Gateway 2. And at the same time, kung pwede nyo pong tangkilikin lahat ng pelikula, maraming salamat.
Thank you po and congrats again.
Thank